The Coffe Packing has focused on paper packaging since 1986. Coffe Packing is a top 30 paper packaging enterprise in mainland China. Its premises occupies more than 10,000 square meters, the building area of 600,000 square meters, with plant assets of more than 230 million US dollars. With core competence in color carton boxes, Coffe Packing is a stable partner for outstanding customers such as Bayer, Macy's, HP, and Jockey. Every year, Coffe Packing develops business cooperation with new, big customers. With honest and sincere working attitude, Coffe Packing is becoming the first and best choice for domestic and foreign customers. To all Coffe Packing staff, the customer is first. The customer is king. Coffe Packing has been awarded many international certificates: BSCI, Lowe's, SGS, FSC, Olympic Honor, ISO 9000, ISO 14000, G7, etc. Every certificate proves premier quality and considerate service of the Coffe Packing Group, production to shipment to the country of destination, which saves customers energy and time. With the Coffe Packing, business becomes easy and pleasant. Each customer's inquiry or request could be answered within 24 hours. The Coffe Packing cooperates with 8 factories from waste paper recycling through making paper and all stages of printing to provide a one-stop paper packaging service to every customer from all over the world. With a headquarter in Taijiao in the Zhejiang province, Coffe Packing is ready to serve every customer's requirement. For customers with big and urgent orders, the Coffe Packing will focus strictly on the time schedule to provide high-quality boxes on time. For customers with small orders, Coffe Packing staff is always showing enthusiasm and professionalism to grow with customers. There are over 100 pieces of advanced equipment, including advanced corrugated board production lines, the world-class biggest printing machines such as the German MAN Roland, Heidelberg Speedmaster, the Japanese Roibi with 4-color and 5-color options, and full series of pre-printing and after-printing machines. Based on first-class facilities, technology, and management, we are able to produce 2 billion square meters of top-grade color surface carton, corrugated board, and paper products annually. With advanced machines and a rational system, we are confident that you will be satisfied with the boxes. Coffe Packing devoted itself to international marketing since 2006 and developed more than 100 markets around the world in the last 13 years. Major popular markets are the USA, Australia, Canada, Europe, Middle East, Asia, and Africa. Our nice products and amazing service are spoken highly of by our customers. That is why Coffe Packing is growing stronger, being a famous paper packaging brand in the world. Coffe Packing, a name that you can trust. As a vital professional paper packing manufacturer in China.